Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a battery in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pop the hood right underneath this kick panel here. There's a little lever. Pull that lever. To release the safety on the hood, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the passenger side. Lift up on the hood. The prop rod is right here. Lift it up and you can put it in that slot right there. All right, we're going to remove the battery from this vehicle. First, I'm going to remove the negative battery terminal. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm just going to loosen up right here. You can wiggle the terminal off. You always want to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Just going to use a little pick tool to try to help pry this out. Could also take a screwdriver and stick it in here, spread it a little bit. There we go. Pull that off. Like I said, you always want to take the negative terminal off first. That way when you're disconnecting the positive, you won't arc anything. So I'll set that aside. Now flip this cover over. Use the same 10mm socket and ratchet. Loosen up the positive side. We'll wiggle this one off. Just pull up. Push it out of the way. This cable's on there pretty good. We could remove that cable if we had to. Actually, this connector right here. Just push down on that lock. Pull that connector out. And we can move this aside over here. Now we'll take this mounting bracket off. I'll use a 10mm extension and a ratchet. Loosen this side as well. Take these nuts off with my fingers. Pull this bracket straight up. Set that aside. Now this battery has a strap on it, so we can lift it up and slide it outwards and pull the battery out. To reinstall the battery, just slide it down. You're going to angle it a little bit. Get it underneath that positive terminal and then slide the negative terminal out. Once that's in position, you can reinstall this bracket. And this bracket goes this way. Take these two nuts and snug them down. Take my ratchet, 10mm socket. Just snug these down a little bit, not too tight. Make sure the battery's not going to move. At this point, you could use a battery terminal cleaner. Just clean out the terminals a little bit before we reattach them. Same with this positive one. This one's a little harder to get to. You can do it from up top, just like that, so it makes a good connection. We can do the same. This terminal cleaner has one for the terminals on the battery. Just clean those up a little bit, just give us a better connection. Now when we're installing the battery, we always want to start with the positive. So you connect the positive first. Connect that down, then we'll slide this connector back in, lock it in place. Take our 10 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter socket and ratchet. Snug this up. Not too tight, you don't want to crack it, and then just grab it, make sure it's nice and tight. And we can reconnect the negative terminal. Slide this on. We'll tighten this nut up. Not too tight, just snug. And make sure that terminal is good. Close that cover. Take the prop rod out. Put that in position. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.